Axie endlessness cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $9.1775 a coin, which explicitly is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 8.75859.3169, which explicitly is very huge. The earlier day close, 9.1182 in a significant way. The change generally was plus 0.0593, plus 0.65%, which shows that the earlier day close, 9.1182 in a kind of significant way. Backwards rate, USD to Axie in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness value expectation in the not-so-distant future and month in a by and large huge manner. Axie vastness cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $9.52. Fundamentally greatest 10.19, kind of least 8.85. Axie vastness conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $9.33. Most certainly greatest 9.98, lovely least 8.68 in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $10.37. Truly most extreme 11.10, truly least 9.64, or so they sort of thought. Axie vastness figure on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $10.60. By and large most extreme 11.34, in every practical sense, least 9.86, which truly is genuinely huge. And multi-week Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $9.64, especially most extreme 10.31, essentially least 8.97 in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness conjecture on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $9.96, truly most extreme 10.66, fundamentally least 9.26, or so they basically thought. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $10.49, sort of most extreme 11.22, genuinely least 9.76 in an exceptionally significant way. Axie endlessness gauge on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $11.38, in every practical sense, greatest 12.18, extremely least 10.58 in a truly significant way. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $11.07, sort of greatest 11.84, truly least 10.30, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Axie boundlessness figure on Monday. April, 3, cost $11.38, extremely greatest 12.18, sort of least 10.58, which generally is very huge. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $10.56, especially most extreme 11.30, exceptionally least 9.82, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie vastness conjecture on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $9.65, kind of most extreme 10.33, all things considered, least 8.97 in a sort of significant way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday. April, 6, cost $9.35, exceptionally greatest 10.00, really least 8.70 in an unobtrusive way. Axie limitlessness estimate on Friday. April, 7, cost $9.48, greatest 10.14, by and large least 8.82, or so they truly thought. In 3 weeks Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday. April, 10, cost $9.46, certainly most extreme 10.12, beautiful least 8.80, which in every practical sense is very critical. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $9.04, really most extreme 9.67, exceptionally least 8.41 in an unobtrusive way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $8.59, certainly most extreme 9.19, genuinely least 7.99, which sort of is very critical. Axie boundlessness figure on Thursday. April, 13, cost $8.38, exceptionally greatest 8.97, by and large least 7.79, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie vastness cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost $8.71, especially greatest 9.32, beautiful least 8.10 in an exceptionally significant way. In about a month Axie limitlessness gauge on Monday. April, 17, cost $8.39, extremely greatest 8.98, really least 7.80. So Axie boundlessness estimate on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $10.60, genuinely greatest 11.34, by and large least 9.86, which most certainly is very critical. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $8.37, truly greatest 8.96, truly least 7.78, which in a real sense is very critical. Axie limitlessness estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost $8.54, really greatest 9.14, all things considered, least 7.94 in an exceptionally large way. USD to Axie swapping scale commonly equivalent to 0.1090 coins per $1 in a sort of significant manner. Today, S reach 0.1073 minus 0.1142, or so they really thought. The past day, S nearby 0.1097 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now 0.0007, 0.64%, or so they generally thought. USD to Axie cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which really is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Tuesday. Walk 21 cost 0.105 coins. Truly greatest 0.113, least 0.098 in a huge way. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday. Walk 22 cost 0.107 coins. Certainly greatest 0.115, least 0.100, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to Axie limitlessness figure on Thursday. Walk 23 cost 0.096 coins. Certainly most extreme 0.104. Really least 0.090, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to Axie expectation on Friday. Walk 24 cost 0.094 coins. Extremely greatest 0.101, genuinely least 0.088, which by and large is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Monday. Walk 27 cost 0.104 coins. Genuinely greatest 0.111, sort of least 0.097 in an unpretentious way. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 0.100 coins. Exceptionally most extreme 0.108, truly least 0.094 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 0.095 coins. Greatest 0.102, sort of least 0.089. Showing how in about 14 days Axie limitlessness figure on Monday. April 3 cost $11.38, most extreme 12.18, least 10.58, which truly is genuinely critical. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 0.088 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 0.095, sort of least 0.082 in an exceptionally significant manner. Dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Friday. Walk 31 cost 0.090 coins. Sort of greatest 0.097, truly least 0.084, which really shows that Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday. April 5 cost $9.65, kind of most extreme 10.33, genuinely least 8.97 in a kind of significant manner. In about 14 days USD to Axie expectation on Monday. April 3 cost 0.088 coins. By and large greatest 0.095, truly least 0.082, which generally is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Tuesday. April 4 cost 0.09